What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Friday, November the 20th, 2020. Time is 9:29 Eastern. We got about 20 seconds before the market open, guys. Now, if you guys have been following my videos, I usually have two charts. Today, I'm gonna do just one chart, which is the Nasdaq 100. It is still on a 5-minute chart. And again, we're doing price action. We're trying to get $500 out of the market. Market just open right now, so we usually don't trade on the first 5 minutes. We let the market do its thing and then tell us which way it wants to go. But if we look at the overnight session, we can see the market was down here and it's just being on an uptrend. So we usually try to trade with the trend. So in this case, we might be buyers today. So with that said, we can see that the market hit this lows a couple of times and then it rejected it, came back up. So that's where it's at right now. It hit that low again. So again, we're gonna wait for this candle to close, and if it doesn't go any lower than that and it goes the other way and it closes above this resistance, then chances are the market's going to continue to go up at least to this next resistance. If it keeps going lower and the next candle comes back up, doesn't break that resistance, then chances are it's going to continue to go lower. But as you can see right now, it's hitting those lows from here, from previous. It's still too early to call it. Still have more minutes, so we're just gonna be patient. We're gonna see what it does, and then we're gonna wait for a setup. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll get you guys back when we're ready to take a trade. Alright guys, I'm back. So market came all the way down here, tested this lows, coming the other way, so chances are it's gonna go up. So I'm gonna get ready to buy the market just to see how low it goes. Alright guys, so we're gonna go and buy this market. Now if it keeps coming lower, gets us out, then it's going to continue to go to the downside. So at this point, I'm going to put my stop loss where it last was, which was right here. So again, if it comes the other way, that means it's just going to continue to drop, and then we'll be getting ready to take another trade. Now if this kind of starts turning green, at that point I'll move my stop loss to break even. So that way we have a free trade. But again, if it continues to go to the downside, then we are going to have to wait for it to retrace and then take another trade to the downside. So just put this, now we're good. Again, if it takes us out, all right, there it is, guys, took us out. So that means the market will continue to go to the downside. So at this point, I could sell it or just wait. Yeah, right now it's too low for me to sell, so I'm gonna wait for this next candle to get back up. See, right now this next candle should not break that top. If it does, then we'll be in trouble, because then what's going to happen is that the market is going to continue to come up. So we want to see if in fact we are going to continue to go to the downside, or if this is the retracement, that's as low as it's going to go, and now it's going to go to the upside. Now, no point for us to risk anymore, so we are at break even. So right now, I guess so we got stopped out. So at this point, we gotta see if it's gonna continue to go to the upside, or it's going to continue to drop. So just gotta wait patiently, see what it wants to do.
Order filled.
Alright guys, let's do this one more time. See if it breaks this low right here. If it does, then it will continue to go there. Here it goes. Now let's see if it breaks that. If it breaks that support, then we are in good shape. I'm not gonna move my take profit. If it gets us there, we'll get our 500. Alright guys, so what is going on today? Hey guys, I'm back. So finally the market moved to the upside as we were expecting it. So now I have a buy order. I don't know if it's gonna get me. More.
Order filled.
Alright guys, so we're in this trade. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna risk just $100. So that's 25 ticks. Okay, so that's 22. 11, 9, 71, 75. Okay, so that's as much as I'm gonna risk. It's $100. If it takes us out, then we'll gonna call it a day. We'll take our $300 loss for the day. get in there, guys. Come on, last push for 70. Or 80. Or 80, 90. Come on. Really? Are you seeing this, guys? Twice, guys. Twice it hit it and it didn't get me out. And of course now it's gonna do it. But anyways, guys, so 255. Again, we tried this three, four trades. So lesson here to be learned is, one is not to overtrade. Two is, if we're in the middle of support and resistance, there's no need for us to force trades, and that's what I did a couple of times. It's Friday. We recouped those $200 and some $200, and we still managed to come up 255 profit. So that's good for me, guys. That's gonna do it for me. Again, it's Friday, so we're gonna close the week really good. Matter of fact, guys, give me 1 second and I'm gonna show you. Alright, guys, so here we go. This is 11/16, which is this week, this Monday, to the 20th, which is today. So we did 2,100 bucks. 2770 gross. We got a couple of losses, 670, and we netted 2100 for the week. So that was very, very good week. Let's see, our max drawdown 255, 18 trades, 13 of them we won. We lost 5. Average, I mean, you guys can see the numbers here. Anything over 65-70%, you should be profitable if you have good risk management. But with that said, guys, that's what happened this week. You guys see here 11/16, 11/20. This is a funded account. I'm gonna do a video on that so you guys can get a funded account, so you don't have to risk your own money. That's what I did. You go through a trial evaluation. Once you pass that, then you get the funded account. So I passed the evaluation, and this is the funded account. So I'm gonna do a video on that, guys. I'll do it this weekend so I can throw it for you guys, so you have that in. That's the way it's a good way to go, so that again you don't risk your own money. There is a monthly fee for it, but it's better to have, I think, don't quote me on this, guys, but it's somewhere like around $140, $160 a month to have the account. But what that means, guys, is if you blow the account, all you really lost is that $150, compared to if you put your own money. You put $5,000 of your own money and you blow $5,000, then that's a big loss. And that's happened to me many times, guys. I've been doing this for quite a few years. I've lost so much money. Now that I've been doing better, I probably want to say that I've been getting that money back. But since I found out about these companies that trade fund your trading, then it's just the way to go, because then you're not risking your own money. And then I also gonna do a video, because I'm gonna do a video, guys, on how to get the account going, who the company is, who they are, and all that good stuff, all the prices, how much is it. And then I'm gonna do the video of how I did on my evaluation, and then how I'm doing in this. And I'm gonna ask for my first withdrawal, which I think today was my 30th day trading. So I think I already qualified for my first withdrawal, so I'm gonna do that. So I'll do another video requesting that withdrawal, and if it goes through, I'll show it to you guys when they wire the money and everything, so you guys know that the company is in fact legit. Alright guys, so that was too much talking, too much info. I'm gonna work on those videos. With that said guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, get some value out of it. If you like it, go ahead and give it a like, share this video. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that's it guys. You all have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Thanks for watching. Sorry guys, I'm back real quick. I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. Although this is blurred, of course, because it's my funded account, I just want you guys to know that these numbers right here represent that account. My same account is not checked, so if it's not checked, it's not showing those numbers. So it's my funded account is the one that is checked. So these are the numbers. These are real numbers, guys. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.